Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Garnier Vitamin C Cream. First, ensure your face is perfectly clean and dry before you begin. Take just a small, pea-sized amount of the cream onto your fingertips. Then, gently massage it evenly across your entire face and neck using upward strokes. This ensures the cream is absorbed well, preparing your skin for the next steps in your daily skincare routine. For optimal benefits, incorporate this cream into your routine twice a day, once in the morning and again in the evening. Always apply it after you have cleansed your skin, but before you put on any sunscreen or heavier moisturizers. Regular, consistent use, day after day, is truly essential to see the best possible improvements in your skin's appearance. This vitamin C cream offers several fantastic benefits for your skin. It actively works to brighten your complexion and visibly reduce the appearance of dark spots over time. Furthermore, it helps to even out your skin tone and improve its overall texture, leaving it smoother. Plus, it provides valuable antioxidant protection, shielding your skin from daily environmental damage. To maximize your results, always remember to apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen every morning after your cream. This protects your skin from sun damage. Also, store your cream in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its potency. Finally, if you have sensitive skin, always perform a small patch test first to ensure compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.